Okay, we have a Feeler Vertical Machining Center, model VMP 580, serial number VKC049. This machine was new in 2011, and we're going to run her for you. Machine has a FANUC 0IMD control, 4-axis. We're running right now 3,000 RPM. It goes up to 10,000 RPM. It has a Cat 40 spindle. At 6,000 RPM. (8,000 RPM). Table size is 16.5 by 25.6. You have 22.8 of X travel, 16.5 of Y, and 20 of Z. We're simulating a tool change. You have a 24 tool side mounted tool changer. 24 tool capacity. This machine is prepped for cooling through spindle with the rotary union. Machine also has a chip conveyor, cooling system, and a oil skimmer. It's running the Y-axis. Run the X again. There's your X. And your Z. You have telescopic weight covers all axes. And hey, original paint, nice machine. Thank you for watching our video.